Good morning. This is our lecture on GEMDAS, order of operations. So, this is we learned last class. Just a little review. Remember, we have grouping, exponents, multiplication, division, same level, read from left to right. Addition and subtraction, also same level, read from left to right. Okay. We have, a lot more complicated. So, parentheses first, because that's a grouping. So I have to then do some of the things inside. So I'm going to have to do the cubed. All right, I guess that's not working. Okay, so I have 4 plus, let's see, 5 cubed is 125, minus 50 over 2 is 25. Okay, so now I have 4 plus 125 minus 25 is 100. So my final answer is 104. All right, on the next one, well, look at all this mess. All right, the first thing I'm going to have to do is solve what's inside using common denominator. So this one needs to be multiplied by, 2 over 2, and this one by 3 over 3. So minus 1/2, minus, well, let's see, we have 21 minus 8 times 2 is 16 over 30. And this is squared and minus 18. Now 21 minus 16 is 5. So I have 5 over 30, which is 1 over 6. So now I have negative 1/2 minus 1 over 6 squared is 1 squared, 1 over 6 squared, 36. So this is minus 1 over 36 times 18, times a negative 18, sorry. All right, 36 is 2 times 18, so I have minus 1/2, but it's a minus, so it's plus a negative 18 over a negative 36, and this is 1/2, 1/2. But it's positive 1/2, so now I have negative 1/2 plus 1/2, which is not a 6. Told you my zeros sometimes look like 6s. There we go. All right, number 3. All right, it's a absolute value. So 5 minus 9 is negative 4. Absolute value of negative 4 is positive 4. 4 cubed is 64. All right. 27 minus 32 gives me a negative 5. We're putting an absolute value around that. So now I have 2 plus, well, the absolute value of negative 5 is 5, right? Times 6, 5 times 6 is 30. So I have 2 plus 30, or 32. Okay, I told you we're just going to do a lot of practice on this one. All right, let's see. So we start from our inside and work out because of all the parentheses. So 5 plus 2 squared. Well, that's 5 plus 4, which is 9. So now I have 15 plus 9, 16 times. 15 plus 9 is 24 times 6. Well, 6 times 2 is 12, so that's 120. 6 times 20. 6 times 4 is 24. So I have 120 plus 24, 144. Okay, let's look over here at number 6. Okay, 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. So what's in the brackets, the square brackets, is 16. So now I have 140 minus 7 sixteenths. Well, 7 and 10 is 70. 7 and 6 is 42. So I have 140 minus 70 plus 42 is 112. So it's 140 minus 112. Well, that's going to be 40 minus 1, not minus 12, 30, 28. There we go. All right, 6 minus 4 is 2, squared is 4. I have 2 times 4, which is 8. Well, that was easy. 18 plus 12 is 30. 2 times 3 is 6. Well, there are 5 6s in 30. All right, 3 squared. So I have 9 minus 2 squared is 4, which is equal to 5. Down below, I have 3 minus 2. Well, that's 1 squared, which is 1. So my answer is 5. All righty. One more practice on this screen. 3 times 14 is 30 and 12, 42, minus 6 over 2 times 9. Well, 2 times 9 is 18. 42 minus 6 is 36. Well, there's 2 18s and 36, so my answer is 2. Yay, we're doing it. All right, you use order of operations when evaluating an expression or formula. You first substitute the value or values given, and then, use the order of operations to simplify. So here we're given x is -5. So I have negative 5 squared minus 4 times -5. Well, -5 squared is a positive 25. But I have a negative outside, so I end up with -25. Now here, I have a -4 and a -5, which is going to give me a positive 20. So I'm adding 20, so I'm left with -5. All right, now we're not evaluating, we're simply simplifying. All right, so to get rid of the parentheses, I have to distribute the -1 in. There's a hidden 1 out here in front of the parenthesis. 5, 2 minus y minus 3. Well, 2 and -3 give me a -1. So I have 5 times -1 minus y. Now I distribute the 5 in. I'm going to have -5 minus 5y. All right, not too bad. All right, go over this if you need to, and then you go do your homework.